All right, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new fake scalp wig for you guys from YGwigs. So if you are interested in how I got this easy, super beginner friendly look, then keep on watching. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this wig from YGwigs. So inside of the box, they give you a bag to keep your wig in, some clips, as well as a few other things, including a wig cap, an adjustable strap, and of course some little brochures that just tells you a little bit more about the company and how to reach them on social media. All right guys, so here is the body wave wig. I do have it in 24 inches. It is in its natural color and 180% density. And so let's go ahead and get into the construction of this wig. So right where I'm pointing to is going to be like the fake scalp. So that way, like this section right here, you can pretty much part anywhere. The knots are already bleached and you don't really need a wig cap. I'm just using mine just because I'm just so used to it and to keep my hair, you know, my natural hair all together. But inside you'll also see that they give you, of course, your two combs in the front, one in the back, and then the little hooks on there on the side. The little black things are where you could put your adjustable strap. And you'll see right here when I flip it over where like the fake scalp comes into place. So bleach knots, you guys, and you get a deep parting space in the middle, and you are able to actually part this on the sides as well. You just can't do a deep side part. But another plus to this wig is that it does already come pre-plucked, which you will get a better view of that in just a bit. So this wig, like I just said, comes pre-plucked, and you can see that right here. They did a pretty good job. I did not go back in and pluck anymore. I think this is really beginner friendly. So if you're just not comfortable with plucking yet, you will be just fine with making this wig look natural and work for you. So now I'm just going to lay this wig, just do my best to melt it. I will say the wig was a little bit just like a hair too small, going from like side to side. So you will see like a little bit of my sideburns kind of poking out, but it's okay. I made it work because I did a middle part, so it's all good. Another thing, this lace is transparent as well, and that is a major thing. You know, everyone is doing transparent lace right now, and this lace was perfect. So you don't need to tint the lace. You don't have to put any foundation or anything on it if you don't want to. Of course, everything is optional, but just for all of my beginners, all of my ladies who just don't feel like doing anything to their hair or to their wigs or anything like that, this wig comes ready to wear out of the box, you guys. They did a really great job with this wig all around. So because this lace is transparent and it's pretty thin, which is great, that is exactly what you are looking for in a wig. I did not have to do 2 layers of this got to be glued freeze spray. I only did 1 layer, actually kind of like 1.5, and then I blow dried it on cool. And that is how I applied my wig. I'm pretty sure you could even, I mean, if you got the right head shape and everything like that, but I don't, you could even just attach your adjustable strap and not even use any type of adhesive. But I just have to, I just cannot go without using some type of something because I'm paranoid like that. But yeah, that is an option if you don't even want to glue down anything, spray anything, do all those kind of steps. Alright guys, so I just quickly did some baby hair, and this is how I'm looking after I've done my baby hair. It kind of looks like a lot to me, and it's not as perfect as I want it to be, but it's baby hair. It's not that big a deal, and the good thing about it is it can be fixed when, you know, later on when, you know, you're doing your final touches. So I'm just gonna add in this strap to lay everything down, and then I blow dried it for about 5 minutes and then did my makeup, and now I am back, and this is how we are looking after my makeup is done. And I am just gonna quickly lift up those baby hairs a little bit just to make them look a little bit more natural, and then I will fix that kind of white cast I have later on, like towards the end of the video. I'll fix it, or off camera. I don't know what I did, you guys, but yeah, just making sure my baby hairs look a little bit more natural and give you guys a closer look at the parting space. You see, you are able to get a deep part with this wig, which is something that I love. And so now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of this look. I did end up cutting this hair about 2 or 3 inches or so. I actually wanted to go shorter just for the holidays and just because I had a certain look in mind, but I didn't, because this hair, this 180% density, you guys, was so thick and so luscious and so full. I really did not. I have a hard time cutting beautiful hair, beautiful thick hair. Like I don't know. I'm just like, maybe next time I'm gonna have to get it in like 18 inches or so. So I only cut a little bit, which is what I'm doing right here. But yeah, so I'm gonna cut this, and then I will put a few wand curls in it, and then just kind of finish up this look. So yeah, you guys, after the wand curls, that was pretty much it. All I did was add a little bit of bronzer like in between my baby hair, and then use my wax stick as well just to kind of get any flyaways, which I didn't really have. I'm just so used to using it again, so it's just a habit at this point. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. This wig was so easy to do. I definitely needed it. I was super tired today, and I didn't really feel like doing the most with any kind of hair, and this wig was like clutch. It was perfect. From the fake scalp to the transparent lace, I have no complaints, you guys. So great job, YGwigs. I will put all the information for this wig down in the description box, and also check for any coupon codes because there might be one down there. If you guys have any questions or comments, put them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.